Alright, I did something else today. So as you know, this side right here is the side that faces my van. And the tailgate folds up like this, right? Now, let me scan down a little bit. This barely misses, as you could see in my other video. I found a piece of steel because I was wanting to put some kind of device in the front here. Boom, check it out. Now it's all wobbly and stuff because right now this thing is on a workbench, but when this gets on the car, it should be fairly secure. It's about 10.5 inches wide, and it's on a arm. So the arm comes down. The arm was a little deformed from the guy that sold it to me. So I just hit a latch, and it folds down, no problem at all. It looks crooked, not that worried about it. And it does have a little bit of play in it, which is weird. So yeah, but that's it. And then you hit a thing, folds back up, and it's pretty stout. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching.